Sometimes I swear I regret ever coming here.
Russia is losing much more soldiers in the battles in the Kursk region than the armed forces of Ukraine. In particular, the enemy's casualty figures are 7 times higher, states the chief of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Anatoly Barhilevich. With a score of 1-6, 1-7, the enemy has more losses. These are colossal losses, he said. In the same interview, Barhilevich said that there are more than 11,000 North Korean troops in the Kursk region of Russia. Moreover, DPRK soldiers have already participated in battles against the armed forces of Ukraine. These are mostly general military units. They are disguised as indigenous people of the Far East. They have the appropriate documents. They are trained to conduct operations in the European part, said the chief of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. If you watch this video, don't come here ever. Don't look for happiness here. These words were filmed by the commander of a Russian group of fighters with the call sign Larkin a few hours before his own death in the Kursk region. In a failed attempt to dislodge Ukrainian paratroopers, Russian forces destroyed an entire village, only to retreat to basements, cut off, scared, and without supplies. After a week of waiting for reinforcements, they got an order for another assault. It was the last for Larkin and his unit.
I'm trying to reach my own. Hello everyone. We hold up in the village of Shuman. In short, it's a complete mess. Almost everything is destroyed, seriously. I'm in shock. Guys, I'm just in shock. If you watch the video, don't judge.
See you in the next video.
And don't go looking for happiness. Bam. Don't look for yourself. Never test it. Sometimes I swear I regret ever coming here. No, I'll record a short video for you. What the hell, we stormed, damn it. Houses were whole, and now damn, it's such a mess. And really a disaster. My lip, damn it, seems to have healed. It messed me up. Got a bunch of fragments in my legs. There wasn't just one of the twos there. So, guys, forget it. And stay away, yes, don't get involved. For no reason, don't seek happiness. Run, run, run.
Transferring them to my people. Layers, layers.
No one here, 26th, 26th.
Who is there?
Your call signs, guys. Nick, are you alone? What are you doing? Wait for me. I'm coming back. We're going to the surgeon now. Wait for me. I'll be back soon. I've already driven back twice.
I'll catch up with my
Today,
people now.
The pipes for 3 hours. Sat there smoothly. You know, I've been here for a week, man. Do you know how much I've worked? I've got a concussion.
I messed it up the first
You
time.
came here, you know, around the corner from Larkin's? That's me, man.
Girls.
Hold up, bro. People were supposed to come by now. How many of you came here? Today, basically, we lost, well, 6 people. 5. Sign in. Russia. You came in alone. They came in before me, man. Was sitting right on top of it. Or again, a little fence. Right in the center. The globe. Where's the globe? Over there, where I lived yesterday. Oh no, it was with you. The village is completely destroyed. They're shooting here. It's really intense. What was said, what needs to be said. The police, it's crazy. I'm really shocked. So that's it. Pray for me, guys.
Ukraine has been hit by a surge in Russian ballistic missile attacks, about a third of which use North Korean weapons that can only fly because they run on Western circuitry, obtained despite sanctions, according to Ukrainian military officials. Russia has fired about 60 North Korean KN-23 missiles at Ukraine this year, according to a Ukrainian defense official. That accounts for nearly 1 in 3 of the 194 ballistic missiles fired so far in 2024, a CNN tally of attacks publicly acknowledged by Ukraine's Air Force shows. August and September saw a spike in ballistic missile attacks when Ukraine first publicly detailed the use of the KN-23. We see that since the spring, Russia has been using ballistic missiles and attack drones much more to strike Ukraine, and less use of cruise missiles, the acting head of communications of the Ukrainian Air Force, Yuri Ignat, told CNN. These less sophisticated missiles are part of North Korea's growing support to Moscow, which also includes about 11,000 North Korean soldiers deployed to Russia's Kursk region. As the expanding role of the North Korean missiles becomes clear, Ukrainian officials have given CNN rare access to fragments from the wreckage of the weapons, which show the apparent extent of US and European-made or designed circuitry in their guidance systems. Crucial components used in the North Korean missiles are produced by 9 Western manufacturers, including companies based in the United States, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom, according to a recent report by Ukraine's Independent Anti-Corruption Commission, a civil society organization. Some parts of the KN-23/24 missiles they analyzed were produced as recently as 2023, suggesting a swift delivery pipeline to North Korea. Everything that works to guide the missile, to make it fly, is all foreign components. All the electronics are foreign. There is nothing Korean in it, said Andriy Kulchitsky, head of the Military Research Laboratory of Kiev's Scientific Research Institute of Forensic Expertise. The only thing Korean is the metal, which quickly rusts and corrodes, he added. A Ukrainian defense intelligence official, who spoke on the condition of anonymity, said their investigations are hampered by the damage to the missile fragments. But it's still possible to determine that the vast majority of components are Western components. Probably 70% are American, from well-known companies. They also use components made in Germany and Switzerland. A report released earlier this year by the UK-based investigative organization Conflict Armament Research, or CAR, found that 75% of components in one of the first North Korean missiles used to attack Ukraine were from US-based companies. There is no reliable information on how exactly the components make their way into North Korea, according to weapons tracing experts. But all signs to point to China as the likely conduit, experts say. We have successfully traced some of those components, and the last known custodians are Chinese companies, said Damian Spleeters, Deputy Director of Operations at CAR, which works to independently document diverted weapons. That means Chinese firms bought the components from manufacturers and a series of intermediaries.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.